That is rad. It's pushy.
Alright, thank you to David Seekins, your hometown SRS race announcer, and then a little from Richard Lake as well. Richard Lake out of Tucson, 21 years strong.
Triple!
How's he not lost it?
Got a transformer out here, or is that a combine? If he gets out front, it's game over. Is ready. Going at the sound of the tone.
Where's my rudimeter?
He really squared off that corner.
Oh, you're good, dude.
Oh, he makes the drop down and goes double afterwards. He even squeezes it through the underpass.
Get some.
Yeah!
I don't know how it happened, but a car actually made it past that 4-foot wide Kyosho RB 16. Oh, now we're broke. Front right. Good night now.
Get some.
Or maybe not. Forget about brooms. We'll just use that thing to sweep the track from now on. 45 down, 4:15 on the clock. Cody turnaround. Moves up from that top spot, or from that third position at the starting grid, out to that lead position. Remember, we are bumping up. We are bumping up, transferring, going at the sound of the tone.
That's cool.
We have lost a tire. Houston, we have a problem. And the problem is... Got some truck tires mounted up here, I believe. That is the new Hot Bodies Dude Buggy. Soon to hit the shelves. The hands of Travis Abescua. Yeah.
Out there for club racing. But I can put an 8 scale on the driver.
We are rolling. Ricky Gaynor is your actual leader on the track. Travis Abescua shows as being leader, but he's got a free pass to kind of do whatever he wants. Who's going to stop him? Outbound driver Abescua. Been driving the Kyosho RB5 two-wheel. At the sound of the tone. Boop. A quick start right there. Looks like they were even trying to jump the gun on me. Carnage on the backside. Oh! Through the ski jump, Jimbo ducked for cover, buddy. Getting a garbage can.
Yes.
Pop that back on out here all the way on the other side of the track. Lee Martin looks to have grabbed that lead spot. Lee Martin gets the whole shot. Car number 7.
Whoa.
Marked by the line in the white, orange, and black. Right there in the sweeper, Cody Roth's got us. Thank you. Dustin Evans, second. Chad Du, Hayato, Matsuzaki, and Jordan Newman. Style points are being awarded. Get out the cards.
He got out.
For originality at 28.